and here comes Kurt Whitaker, though, right up onto the back. Fanga, yeah. Kurt Whitaker closing in a high-rate nonce there.
You saw...
Mad Mike with a Mad Mike 277, Mad Mike 277. So Mad Mike well and truly into competition now as Fanga Dan comes through.
Yeah, let's see if Fanga Dan can throw down. Look at this. We talked about going from wet to dry, and Fanga hanging it out there. Nice job. You see him hit three-wheel motion, hopping, looking like one of the lowriders in McGuire's Hard Park show and shot. Yeah, make some noise for Fanga. Their team, or I think Fanga Dan likes, he is the marshmallow man. He's the Stay Puft Marshmallow. To the double B. Is it gonna make him or is it gonna break him? Cole Armstrong comes in hot. Gas wider. We saw game proximity here in the latter portion of the double B. Knocked in the
series, enjoying their time over
by Mike. The crowd is going to play an integral role. I would say they are kind of the second judge after Mike, because if they're excited, Mike's going to get excited, everybody's going to get excited. So yeah, we were talking about it earlier. There's Dana Templeman and his brand new BMW out there. And,